kissing pines across this land. Cold glass, warm laughs, a beer in our hand. Pack up the van, hit that old highway, miles of hops and dreams where we play. From city lights to a small town stop, every tap we find, man, we raise it up. Strangers turn to friends when the night is young. The story spilling out with every song we sung. There's a place for us wherever we roam. Find the vibe, find your tribe, make the bar stool home. What's on tap? Let the good times flow. Pins up high everywhere we go. Breweries calling, we're answering back. Life tastes better when you know what's on tap. Foam on the rim and a neon glow. Live band playing and the crowd says whoa. One sip closer, the world feels small. It's more than just beer, it's a home for us all.